from the New York Times best-selling author of Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, with over 2 million copies sold.
Give me 5 minutes with anyone, and I can predict your financial future for the rest of your life.
At the Millionaire Mind Intensive, over 1.5 million lives already impacted globally. Is your money blueprint set for self-sabotage or success?
I never realized that I had this guilt with money.
Going through this kind of process can change your life.
Break through your fears and master the inner game of wealth.
I never forget driving home and saying it was the best thing I've ever experienced.
It's life-changing. You'll be so happy you did it.
Transform your financial future in just 3 days.
I'm bursting with energy, bursting with ideas, and my future has just started this weekend. It cannot be any better.